Also new tonight, bail reform could be causing side effects in Genesee County. The new state law removes cash bail for non-violent crimes. The goal is to keep people accused of crimes free as their cases move through the court system. Gilad Malamed looks at the effect this is already having to build a new county jail.
The current Genesee County Jail is nearly 120 years old. County officials say the building is inadequate at meeting the needs of inmates. That's why there are plans to have a new jail in Batavia by the fall of 2022. Officials say the building will be able to provide inmates with educational programs and better mental health and medical care. One major change, the new jail will include female inmates. They'll no longer be sent to other jails. Genesee County Sheriff William Sharon says that will help the county save money.
We spent upwards of $850,000 last year housing inmates out. That's just housing cost. That doesn't include the man hours that are dedicated towards the transportation.
But how many inmates will the new jail need to house? That's the $60 million question that officials say was made tougher by bail reform. They've already downsized their plans for the new jail since the new policy went into effect.
With bail reform legislation that was passed, we scaled it back even further to 184 beds at 4 pods versus the 200-bed 5-pod design that we were looking at just 9 months ago.
Erie County jails have seen a decline in inmates. A bail reform report from the county comptroller's office says the Erie County Holding Center had about 100 fewer inmates this January compared to last. The Alden Correctional Facility had 67 fewer. Both are operating at hundreds of inmates below capacity. Governor Cuomo defended bail reform in last month's State of the State, but did admit there may need to be some bail reform, saying there are, quote, consequences that we have to adjust for. Gilad Malamed, 7 Eyewitness News.